Hi guys. Pauwi na kami guys from Shibunik going to Vancouver, but we drop by here sa Cinestar. We will go to McDonald's guys. So here, ayan, there is a mall, there's Cinestar cinemas there. So let's see what's inside. There's a JYSK Zoo City over there, and then Kik and Prima. And this is my husband. Hi to my vlog. Okay. So we will do the online.
English ya?
Yes. Okay, let's start ordering online. They are enjoying ordering there.
Kapi-kapi. Ito ba Tama. Nagkakakamer, no?
Yes.
Nailipin na yung tilat mo. Ano to?
Thank you guys.
Magbay ka.
What can you say in Shibunik?
Nice place.
Nice place. What can you say in Shibunik? Shibunik.
It's good.
It's good. Only that. Make 3 sentences. So they are waiting guys for that. Okay.
8. Wala pa ito.
Okay. Hi guys. What can you say here?
Hello.
What can you say in Shibunik?
Nag-wait siya. Isa din.
That's all guys. Bye.